Good morning, boys and girls. We're gonna drive out to the America's Concours d'Elegance, which is in Plymouth, Michigan, which is right outside of Detroit. When you see that this Ferrari is parked in the same parking lot that you are, you know this place is gonna have something special. So I'm waiting to buy a ticket because I guess ticket sales don't open for another 20 minutes. Start talking to a guy. Free ticket. Thank you very much. Interpersonal skills for being able to start conversations with everyone. So you guys know me, you know I'm a sucker for hatchbacks, wagons, things like that. One of my favorite Ferraris right now is the A12 Super Sport, and there's one behind me, and it's all black, black leather, black carbon ceramic brakes. It is stunning. It is one of the most sinister Ferraris I've ever seen. Let's take a look. So remember a few months ago I was out in California, I came across a bunch of Ferrari luggage pieces, and I found where one of them came from because it's the exact same briefcase that I now have. So far everything has been very classical, let's say, very expensive. Well, this caught my attention real quick because God knows I love big wings and race liveries. So there are 4 Lotus Evora GTs, the 400s. This is the first time that they're in America. They were officially brought in like a month ago. Stunning vehicles, super aggressive, big slots everywhere, big intakes everywhere, so much carbon. And they all came with 3 pedals. 3. Thank you, Lotus, for continuing to be a true driver's car and making that. So let's keep walking around and see some Lamborghinis up there. So there's a lot of cars here. Not as much as I would say like Pebble Beach Concours or just like an M1 Concours or anything like that. But the level of just quality of these vehicles and scarcity kind of like really, I feel like, sets this event apart. There's a Muntz Jet back there, which I think I've seen one other before when I was little, like 12. I've never seen another one of those ever, not even museums. It's just a lot of really cool, really clean cars, which makes sense. This is a concourse. The wing as tall as I am. Behind me is a 2015 Ferrari LaFerrari, and it's one of those vehicles that I've liked. I've liked the advancements that Ferrari has taken with the vehicle, but it's one of those cars that I've seen it in images a bunch, and I've kind of liked the style. But it really takes being in person to understand the beauty of it, to really see how everything like kind of flows between all of the shapes of the vehicle, and how it is a stunning car. I'm kind of lost for words right now. You don't see one every day. And that is officially the coolest car at this concourse. Why don't they have those in nowadays vehicles?